Hello there friends. In my previous video you almost understand how your website will be ready for making money. In this video there are a few strategies I'm gonna explain how you can earn via website. Before that, please subscribe my channel. Making money from your website is not a magic or novel, it's a reality, anyone can do it. It's amazing, indeed turning a part-time hobby website into income and generating asset. Just it depends with hard working and effort. Please keep in mind that the strategies which I'm gonna explain for you, just make sure apply that one to be possible, fitting your website and suitable your lifestyle preferences. There are many tips for making money from your website, just 10 strategies most popular and practical. Please pay attention. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money from your website. How it's working? It starts by finding a product which you like and would recommend. Then on your website express the product and promote it to your website, to your visitor, and email to all subscribers. If the product or service will be acceptable by these people, then they will click on your affiliate link for purchasing the product from it. Then you will receive an income from it. The commission from this will be at anywhere from 30 to 50%. It's quite high. A successful example of affiliate site, Amazon.com, where you can find a product to promote. There are 3 websites you can find product for promoting. Number 1, the most famous one is CJ.com, Commission Junction it's calling, which offers you reliable product with on-time payment. Second, ShareASell. ShareASell.com mostly offers you clothes, accessories, and other offline products to promote. And the third one is ClickBank. Actually, ClickBanks offer you a very high percentage payout, but unfortunately there is not always available a good product to promote. Number 2, pay-per-click advertising or Google AdSense. AdWords are the advertisement that show up on the top of Google search result page. AdSense is the reverse, allowing publisher to tap into Google's massive advertisement network, and other advertiser can run ad on their website. The best part about this system is how simple everything is. Once you sign up, the Google will place a simple codes on your website. It will identify the content of your website and start displaying relevant advertisement. For example, if your site is about books, Google AdSense will start showing your visitors ads from ebooks, universities, and more related ads. You would get paid each time someone clicks on the ads. It's really that much easy as seems, but your website needs to get that much traffic to make money from it. Your share might be anywhere from 50 cents to $5 per click. When your site has enough traffic, you can make hundreds or thousands of dollars each month. Number 3, sell ad space. Incorporating Google AdSense on your website is just one way to make money from online advertisement. Another way is to simply sell your own ads space directly to companies looking to sponsor different blogs. You can make prices for each space, like sidebar banner ads cost will be an amount according to your website traffic per month. You can get paid depending on how many visitors you get in a month. Usually it's quoted as dollar amount according per 1000 impression or CPM. You might see it as $5 per each CPM. If the website gets 100,000 visits per month, then the ad price will be $500 in a month. The good thing about this approach is that if your site gets a lot of traffic from different sources, your simple banner ad price can go up to as high as $5,000 per month. How you can let others know that your website is selling ad space? You can do this via BuySellAds.com, which is most popular website to let everybody know you are selling ad space. Number 4, sell your own digital product like ebook. You have the potential to make most money on a per sell basis. When you can sell your own product or your own e-product directly, that is because there is no one as middle person between you and the buyer, which is taking a commission from the money you earn. This method seems fairly straightforward because you can simply sell these products directly through your own website and get paid immediately. Number 5. Accept donation from visitors. If you don't have a lot of monthly visits, but you do have a strong engaged community, simply to ask your readers to donate. Accepting one-time donation is not a fast route to wealth, but it can help you to cover expenses in the short time. For example, webarchive.org makes a lot of money from donation because of their millions of visitors per month. Number 6. Sell a sponsored post. One of the most common ways to make money from your website is getting the visitor numbers up. Once you have done this hard work of building regular traffic to your website with an engaged community, there are few different ways to monetize your hard work. For example, many companies go out of their way to look for blogs that will feature their sponsored content. Next, you can also review the product from a company as an advertorial. For example, if your website is all about latest Android games for a smartphone, the creator of one of those ads would love to have you review and feature their apps to your fans. When everything goes well and done right, this will create a win-win scenario. Number 7. Generate leads for other companies. Businesses thrive on new leads coming in their doors to inquire about their products or services. It's no surprise that they are always searching for creative ways to find new sources of leads to help them grow. For example, if you have a website about teaching writing skills, your readers' information, like their emails and phone numbers, would be a great value to different writing online courses who's looking to approach a student. How you can find such offers? You can find this kind of offers from the website like maxbounty.com, like purefly.com. Number 8. Offering consulting. Offering consulting and providing service can help you bring in decent sums of money. You can offer these services via email or even Skype. Number 9. Set up an e-commerce site. Websites don't have to be always about content. They can be centered around tools or products or an online stores. The important things about this part is there are about hundreds of thousands of e-commerce sites or online stores. Just make sure it should be unique with detailed strategy and latest marketing technique to stand out from the crowd. Number 10. Fill up your websites. It means to create, sell, and reinvest. While you build a website, follow the mentioned point, and even you sell few products or advertisement, you will be able to sell your website and make a good money, and it will be quite profitable. For example, if your website is making $500 per month from selling ad space, you might be able to sell the site from $5,000 to $10,000. How you will be able to sell your website? There are few platforms you can sell via bidding your website. Number 1. Flippa.com is the most popular website. You can sell your website there. Number 2. WeBuyWebsites.net. It's another marketplace for websites. Number 3. FeeInternational.com, but this is for very high-end websites. Dear friends, this was my topic about the strategies you will be able to make money from your website. Please follow us and thanks for your attention.